This video is sponsored by Fram, manufacturers of high-quality filters since 1934. Visit fram.com to learn more.
One of the most essential tools for replacing an air filter, it's not a screwdriver, it's not a 10mm socket, it is a vacuum cleaner. Outside of the air filter housing, dirt and leaves can accumulate. These need to be removed before the cover to the air filter is removed so it can be inspected. Inside the air filter housing, large pieces of leaves and even rocks could be at the bottom. You may even see accumulations of sand. When the old filter is removed, debris that's trapped in the pleats, well, it can fall into the housing. Also, rodents love to store food and even make it into a home. Chipmunks, well, they like to store nuts. Mice, well, they prefer pet food. As for bedding materials, mice and chipmunks love to destroy hood liners to make a soft, comfortable bed, like from this Toyota. If there's pet food, advise the owner that they may need to find a new method to store cat food or dog food in the garage. Using a vacuum to remove this stuff from the housing will give the new filter a longer life. As for keeping rodents out from nesting, well, the jury's still out on this one. Some remedies include Irish Spring soap, dryer sheets, pine-scented air fresheners stashed underneath the hood. Some online gurus, well, they even advise spraying the tires with deer scent. Well, you can leave that part up to the customer. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.